How to use Asana for project management, a step-by-step tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome to this exciting journey into the world of Asana. Asana is a versatile project management tool designed to enhance collaboration, efficiency, and organization for you and your businesses. So today we'll guide you through the thorough process of getting started with Asana and mastering its features for effective project management. You're going to go onto asana.com and this is how it's going to look like. Asana is a really good cloud-based project management tool which makes your teams to coordinate and manage your work really perfectly. It provides a centralized platform for task management, project tracking, and team collaboration. So the key features of Asana are to create and assign tasks, project organization and tracking, team collaboration through comments and attachments and details, and customizable workflows and project views. Now, how you might be thinking, how does Asana enhance the project management after all of these features, including? So, what it does is, with all of these features, it streamlines your communication and reduces all of that email clutter because let's be honest, who really likes to go through, their emails first thing in the morning and make out which email is important out of all that clutter. So what Asana does for you is it increases that visibility into project progress. It also facilitates collaboration and transparency among you and your team members. So let's start off by getting started with Asana. You're gonna go onto the website, we're already here, and you are gonna simply sign up for it. I have already signed up, but you just simply have to click up on sign up to create your free account, and they have about a 30 days trial period. And after that, you can either switch to a premium plan or upgrade your plans, or you can choose to opt out of it. So I have already signed up. So before signing up and entering your basic credentials, they're also going to ask you a few basic questions. That way they can help personalize your dashboard. This is how my dashboard looks like. It's simple and so easy to use. All it has is this one a big red button that says create. It's where I create my projects. There's a home here. There are my tasks. These are inbox. Inbox is where I get my notifications about my tasks, which ones are due, which ones are assigned, and they also have messages that you've sent to your team members here. Onto the tasks is where I can navigate and look into my tasks. The home is the home where it is how it looks like. I can customize my home depending on how I want it to look like and add in widgets, backgrounds, pictures, and also see what like how there's a homepage for your phone or mobile devices, and you can 100% customize your background, your widgets, or what you want to see on your homepage the first thing. So the same way you can do that up at Asana. And onto the insight section is where you can look into reporting, portfolio, and goals. Here's like a dashboard that's gonna let you know about how the portfolios are looking like. It's my first portfolio. I've already created one for the project management that I was working on. These are the goals that we've set. Are we on track or not? And here are the start items. Anything that is really important and you just really want to get into it first thing, you can just simply start it, and here's it where it'll appear. These are my other projects. So this is project management for me, the one I've been working on. This is the first ever portfolio that I've created, and this is teams. Here is where my workspace is. What I can do is, in Teams in Asana helps group together related project members and tasks. So it facilitates your collaboration among you and your members that are working on similar goals and objectives. Now, to add people up here in the workspace, what you're going to do is you're going to simply click on add sign next to the team. Right here is my workspace, so I can just simply add in more. I can add in using the templates, or I can explore from the templates. So all I have to do is add members here, or I can add in teams. To add in my teams, all I have to do is click on add member. I can add a member to different projects. Let's just say we want to set up our project depending on sales and marketing team. So I have to go on projects and click on add new project. And here I can start from a template, or I can start from import my data from a spreadsheet, or I can start from a blank project from scratch where I have to build everything up. They're really cool and amazing templates that you can just simply customize to prevent working over the background, the header, the footer, and so on and so forth. Now, since we're creating a team for marketing, and sales. So we'll start from a template. One there just to show you the different templates that we have. These are meeting agendas, event planning, cross team planning, which is like these are the ones that are available for paid subscription if you upgrade your account. I would like to go over with, you can choose different layouts that you like, a board layout, a timeline layout, a calendar layout. And these are custom ones or Asana curated or even the free ones. Let's go with the board layout because I really like the board layout actually. Or you can start from blank project. Here you can 100% customize them. First project name could be sales and marketing. This is going to be my sales and marketing team. So while you're editing everything, it shows you how it's going to show up. So like, let's just say I make a difference here, make any adjustment, it's going to show up out there. You can choose to keep it your workspace or, keep it private. So only the members who you've invited can access this project. I'll keep it my workspace. So I can also select the different type of view I want it to be. It could be in board one, timeline, a calendar view, or have it in a list one, like a Dropbox list. I like a board one, so I simply create project after I'm done. And see how easy it is. All I've done is simply selected how I want it to be, and the project is created. Here's how my board looks like. Now to add in team members, all I have to do is simply click on members. This one right here is for me to add members. I can invite them using their emails, or I can simply access the ones that members were available as of now. I can enter up their emails right here, and I'll just simply send them to the employee. All I have to do is send, and it's already sent. The invite has been sent to them through Asana. They'll simply have to click on the link and join your working board and your workspace. That way you can invite different people into your team and have them working together on similar goals. So we have created a first board right here onto the project. Now let's start by setting off our tasks into the campaigns and adding project due dates and milestones as well. Let's add the first task. We can assign it to someone. As of now, I'm going to assign it to them. Set up a due date, going to be by 12th. I set up the due date. Let me add in projects. Also adding this into the project management one. You can also add in dependencies for them to add thumbnails into this. Any sort of description. I can add in a match. I can add in a file or a link for them to be done, and I can just simply go over with it and simply add a task. Amazing thing about this task is you can also add a subtask under this specific task and simply add this. Like, this task is done now. Okay, this is task 1. Let's add another task. The task name could be curating art pieces. Let's just say you work in an art gallery. This is the first thing that was on top of my head. So curating the art pieces. This one could be assigned to this person, and the due date could be until 13th as well, because on 14th is when we're presenting everything. Select the art pieces for display, and this is my comment added. So just so my employee knows what to do and what not to, and I can like the task or add in attach files. I can add in subtasks, copy task link and send it directly to them, or I'll just simply close it. The more option also allows you to add in tags, add in another project, create a follow-up task after doing this task, or merging duplicate tasks with this one. You can also use Asana AI to summarize this task, draft subtasks, also create a milestone for this one, or also mark this as approval. And then towards the end, you can also have the option to delete the task. So I'm done with adding this task. Now, let's just say if someone is currently doing the task, all they have to do is simply drag and drop this one into the in progress one. And if they're done, they can simply go on to complete. Another thing you can do is once you click on the customize here, you can customize any sort of fields and add in so many different type of rules that you have. You can also build integrated ones with Asana. Likewise, you can add in Teams, Slack, Dropbox, Zoom, Gmail, and even your Google Drive. So now that this is done, let's see how it looks like in timeline form, on dashboard, on calendar. There's so many different views. You can see it into your messages, your files, your workflow as well. And on the overview section, which is this like basic overview of what's been up to, what everyone has been up to onto this board. Now that you see that we have neatly organized, added in our tasks, and assign the tasks to your team members, set in the due dates, and also added detailed descriptions, you can totally use the same method to customize it and do it for your own team on your company. All these divided tasks have been divided into sections. The ones are into planning, executing, and completing them all. This is one for planning to do. These are in progress or currently into it, and this is one to complete it. You can just simply drag and drop them to rearrange them as necessary. It's very easy to set them up. You can also set up the status of your project. This is at risk, off track, on hold. If you're working on multiple different projects, as you can see, I have 3 different projects I'm currently on. So this one can be on track as of now for my team members to know that this project is something we're working on. And you can also add in a reminder to update the status of your project every Friday. Workspace, which is your team only, and also you can send in a notification on email to your workers. So with that being said, I simply posted, and here my project has been on the run and it's working on track. So congratulations, you've now embarked on the Asana journey, setting up your teams and creating projects. Simple and easy. So dive deeper into Asana's features, experiment with its different views, and discover how it can revolutionize your project management experience. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to ask them down in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.